Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. You've booked the flight. You've planned the perfect getaway. And then, right before checkout, the website asks, do you want to add travel insurance? Most people click no and move on, assuming it's just another sneaky way to add a few extra bucks to the bill. But here's the truth, travel insurance might be the smartest few dollars you spend, if you know when to use it. Let's clear the air first. Travel insurance isn't always necessary. If you're flying domestically, staying with family, and your airline or hotel has flexible cancellation, you might not need it at all. But there are situations, and we'll get into them, where not having travel insurance could cost you thousands. At its core, travel insurance is like a temporary safety net for everything that can go wrong before or during your trip. We're talking about trip cancellations, delays, lost luggage, emergency medical care, and even evacuations in case of political unrest or natural disasters. It steps in when your standard health insurance or your airline's refund policy taps out. So when does it matter most? First, international travel. If you're leaving your home country, this isn't optional, it's critical. Most health insurance plans don't cover you abroad, and even if they do, you'll be out of network and paying out of pocket for a while. A simple doctor's visit overseas could cost you hundreds. A medical evacuation. Try $20,000 to $100,000. Travel insurance often covers these emergencies, and it's a fraction of that price. Second, prepaid, non-refundable bookings. If your trip involves non-refundable flights, tours, cruises, or Airbnb stays, you're taking on financial risk. Let's say you or a family member gets sick days before the trip. Without travel insurance, that's money gone. But with it, you can file a claim, cancel for covered reasons, and get most, or all, of it back. Third, expensive or once-in-a-lifetime trips. A 2-week African safari. A dream honeymoon in Bora Bora. These aren't trips you just rebook next month if something goes wrong. If your investment is high, your protection should match it. Travel insurance gives you peace of mind so you can actually enjoy the trip without worrying about the what-ifs. Fourth, traveling during unpredictable seasons. Hurricane season. Winter blizzards. Political tension in your destination country. These aren't times to gamble. A good policy can reimburse you for delays, cancellations, or even help you get home quickly if the situation changes while you're abroad. But of course, not all travel insurance is created equal. And that's where most people get frustrated. Some policies are cheap but come with tons of exclusions. Others don't cover pandemics, pre-existing conditions, or adventure sports. That's why you need to read the policy, yes, the actual fine print, before you buy. Know what's covered, what's not, and how to file a claim if needed. Also, check whether you already have some protection. Certain premium credit cards offer built-in travel insurance, including baggage delay, trip cancellation, and emergency medical coverage, as long as you book the trip with that card. So don't double pay. Look at what you already have, then fill in the gaps. So, do you always need travel insurance? No. But do you sometimes need it more than you realize? Absolutely. Here's the bottom line, if losing the money you've spent on a trip would seriously hurt your finances, or if you're going somewhere with any health or safety risk, then travel insurance isn't just helpful, it's essential. If this video helped you think twice before skipping that Add Insurance button, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your travel buddy. Got a question or story about a trip gone wrong? Or a time travel insurance saved the day? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and remember, plan smart, travel safe, and protect your peace of mind. See you in the next one.